I'm John Atherton, Instructional Leader for Secondary Science. This video details the science kit for Grade 9 and Grade 10 LDCC and Grade 9 Applied Electricity modules, specifically the speaker design and build.
When you first receive your kit from the Science Kit Centre, just check you have the right one. The kit is sealed with a plastic hooking tie. Just take a strong pair of scissors and snip it off. There's a replacement tie inside the kit for shipment back to the Science Kit Centre. When you first open the kit, you'll notice that there's a materials list. This includes all the non-consumable items that must be returned with the kit, as well as the consumable items. Please return any unused consumable items, as these have to be replenished each time the kit is used. Use this list to check all of the items in your kit. There are more documents and support materials in this binder. In addition to the materials list, there are other support materials which can be used for background and extension work, as well as, most importantly, stay safe document for your safety.
Each kit includes two important folders. One is the Speaker Design and Build Teacher's Guide, which basically tells you about all the activities, including lesson plans, teachers' handouts, marking schemes, and exactly everything you need to know to produce the 5.5 hours of lessons here. The other document are the masters. For your convenience, they're in a separate document, and these are masters of all the photocopies that you will require for your own use and the students' use. So you may photocopy as many as these as you need for your class. Please return all of the masters with the kit. The Speaker Design and Build kit requires some previous learning, which the students should have from their previous grades. But there are some 4 refresher activities included in the kit.
In Refresher Activity A, the students will build a string cup phone. In Refresher Activity B, they make an electromagnet. Refresher Activity C, they'll build a small electric motor. And in Refresher Activity D, they'll analyse a dissected speaker. Refresher Activity A is the string cup phone, clearly labelled here on the lid. Not all of these cups are for the phone, some are for the speaker. The cups for the string phone have holes already made in the bottom. Here's the string used to connect the cups. Refresher Activity B is building an electromagnet. So included in the kits are some nails and some fresh batteries. The wire, however, which will be wound around the nails, is in the multiple activities kit. Here. In here you will find lots of different items that can be used in a variety of the activities. Please check these against the material list. Refresher Activity C is building a simple electric motor. Also included for another activity is a handheld generator. Here we see the cells for the motor. These are the clips which are connected to the end of the cells and support the spinning coil. The coils themselves are fragile and contained in this little envelope. Open it carefully and instruct your students to handle these coils gently. Basically, it's a coil with the end insulation stripped off. When this is placed in the loops of the end clips, as shown in the teacher's guide, and with the magnet in place, the coil will spin. Refresher Activity D is analysing a dissected speaker. This is a store-bought speaker that has been dissected and all of the parts labelled. With one of the student handouts included in the masters, the students can analyse which part provides which function to the speaker. The students will build their speakers using 2 cups, a magnet and some insulated wire. Please note that the insulated wire will need its ends stripped. One end here has been stripped already. There's some sandpaper in the kit to strip the ends. The teacher's guide shows how to wind the wire tightly around the dowel, making a small tight coil. The dowel is removed and not used in the speaker. With the coil and the magnet attached to the cups, the speaker is assembled. The speaker can then be connected to the radio. Test the speaker using the leads, jack plug, and these crocodile clips. One end of the lead plugs into the radio, and the crocodile clips connect to the speaker wires.
Full details of how to build a speaker are included in the teacher's guide, along with a diagram showing where the magnet can be fixed and where the coil is fixed. Please note the two ends. These are the ends that will be connected to the radio. The students have designed, built and tested their own speaker. Other activities outlined in the teacher's guide will include reflective writing, pre and post questionnaires and discussion points. In all, about 5.5 hours of classroom activity are included in this kit. I hope you enjoy them.